Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the charging limit on iPhone iOS 18. First, open settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on battery. This section provides various options to manage your battery settings and usage. Next, tap on charging. Here you'll find various settings related to how your iPhone charges, including information about optimized battery charging. Now look for the charging limit option in this section. This feature allows you to set a maximum charge level for your iPhone to help prolong battery health. Now use the slider to change the charging limit to your preferred percentage. You can slide it left to lower the limit or right to increase it, depending on how much charge you want your device to reach before stopping. After adjusting the charging limit, simply exit the Settings app. Your new charging limit will take effect the next time you charge your iPhone. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.